Fengshui plants. Are you interested in knowing about the Fengshui plants that grows in your garden and would like to add more if you really don't have them? So this video will cover about top 3 Fengshui plants that will attract wealth and abundance. Watch until the end so that you will know all the things that I have shared in this video. When it comes to Feng Shui plants, lucky bamboo is the top one that brings and attracts wealth and prosperity. These lush green plants are really very easy to grow, and they grow almost in water and soil both. You can propagate them easily and try having them in your garden as a Feng Shui plant. That is the top plant that I can recommend having. This is one of the best plants to have in your home garden. So tip number 1 is adding lucky bamboo plant in your home garden, known as pothos and devil's ivy, and also the money plant. This beautiful green foliage will add prosperity. They are in various types. This is a money plant growing in soil, and I have one propagated here in water. So you can easily propagate these plants by a leaf, and this is known as a prosperity and money plant. So they are easy to grow and really very easy maintenance. Have one of them. Now I recommend them having one of the best Feng Shui plants. And CC plant is another wonderful Feng Shui plant that you can have in your home or in front of the entrance of your home to bring wealth and prosperity. So these are the 3 top Feng Shui plants that you can add in your home garden for wealth and prosperity. Hope you enjoyed watching and find this video informative. Please do like, share and subscribe to Tamara's Garden. Thanks for watching.